I, on behalf of Dharat Suhavi Environment Society and Sri Guru Gobind Singh College Institution Innovation Council, welcomed our esteemed resource person, Shri Sushil Dogra ji, who is a senior scientist from Central Pollution Control Committee, our faculty members, and dear students who have joined us today in this online session in spite of having their exams. We are here today to commemorate World Pollution Prevention Day, aiming to instill awareness on environmental pollution and its negative impact on our planet. It serves as a reminder to raise awareness about the importance of preventing pollution and promoting sustainable practices to protect our environment and our health. Now I request Sushil Dogra sir to start with the workshop. Before that, I must tell that Sir is a senior scientist at Central Pollution Control Committee, Paryavaran Bhawan, Chandigarh. Sir is also a nodal officer of National Clean Air Program, which is an initiative of Government of India. And Sir is also looking after biomedical waste and implementation of biomedical waste management rules in Chandigarh. And Sir will be speaking on the environmental scenario of Chandigarh and the pollution. So without much ado, I request Sir to start with this discourse. Over to you, Sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you for such a nice words about me. First of all, let me tell you something about my organization where I am working right now. It's basically every state boards, every state they're having boards, means pollution control boards, and all the UTs they are having pollution control committees. So this is the basic difference between where still since I am working in Chandigarh Pollution Control Committee, so we are regulating all the environmental acts which are enforced by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So we are having a head office which is called as Central Pollution Control Board. So all the acts, all the rules, they are framed by Central Pollution Control Board with the help of Ministry of Environment. The official area of Chandigarh is around 114 square kilometers. Everybody knows, but the actual area is 140 square kilometers because it has two wildlife sanctuaries in Chandigarh that is called as Nepi and Kansal. These two wildlife sanctuaries, the total area is 26 kilometers. So the total area we are, the Chandigarh is having total area of 140 square kilometers, not 114 square kilometers. So these are the various types of pollutions we are dealing with. Being a regulatory body, we are looking the air pollution, we are looking the municipal solid waste, water quality of Chandigarh, then plastic waste, biomedical waste, e-waste, hazardous waste, noise pollution, and whatever pollution you are thinking about, we are dealing with those sort of pollutions because like police, we are just we are a body which is similar to a police department because police is implementing their different acts, and we are implementing the air pollution acts which are governed by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So everybody knows Chandigarh is having a good per capita supply of water. So we are getting water from the Bhagra main line, which is around 40 kilometers here from Chandigarh. Water comes to Kajoli Water Works first. Thereafter, we get the water in Sector 39, which is a major water works in Chandigarh. Thereafter, we just filter it, and after filtration, we just supply it to 6 subsidiary water works. These are located in different parts of the city. In Sector 52, Sector 12, then Sector 26, there are 2 subsidiary water works, then Sector 32 and 37. Here, what we do, we just withdraw groundwater from here. We mix groundwater with the surface water and then supply to different parts of the city. Apart from that, Chandigarh, since we are just the approximate population of Chandigarh is, as per 2011 census, it is 10.54, but the actual population of Chandigarh is around 14 lakhs. So the volume of wastewater which we generate is around 54 mgt. It is million gallons per day. So this much amount of water we are generating, and to treat this type of waste, we are having around 8 STPs in different parts of the city. We are having air quality monitoring network in Chandigarh. We are having very good, very robust air quality monitoring network in Chandigarh. We are having 5 manual stations placed in different parts of the city. And apart from those 5 manual stations, we are having 3 air quality continuous ambient air quality monitoring stations, which gives you data on a regular basis. At an interval of every 5 minutes, you'll get data there's an app which is called as Smear app. It is very much available on the every platform. You will find it on the iOS platform as well as on Android systems. You just download it and you can see data of pan India level. So wherever there are stations, you will find data. Chandigarh administration has deployed many mechanical road sweeping machines. At night, they are working at night. You'll see how they are working and they are doing, because they are GPS enabled, and you can see, you can just track the speed of these. So they are covering around 181 kilometers per day just to clean because we are having problem because जब बड़ी तेज से गाड़ी निकलती है ना सड़क के किनारे, तो whatever soil is there along the road, they get suspended and they may contribute to the poor air quality. And then water sprinkler systems. Recently, Municipal Corporation of Chandigarh has purchased 2 anti-smoke guns also. So I think within next 7-10 days, you'll see big smoke guns. They are moving in Chandigarh just to जब हम इसको smoke guns को smoke gun के through हम जब बड़ा fine mist का वो करते हैं, तो उससे जितनी भी dust होती है वो settle हो जाती है on the road. So I think that would all again a very good step that is being taken by Chandigarh administration. We are having so many good bicycle track in Chandigarh. Around 210 kilometers of cycle tracks have been there in Chandigarh, and rest they are working on it. और इसके अलावा we are having a very good number of docking stations in Chandigarh. So we are doing a very good thing. Then apart from it, 180 new buses have been introduced in Chandigarh. Those are working on e-mobility. A type of e-mobility is there, and I think 100 buses अभी और introduce हो जाएंगी by 31st of March. So total 180 buses. अगर हम Chandigarh Transport Undertaking बात करें तो they are having around 400 buses. So all the buses will be placed in I think next 1 year. So you'll see everywhere. मतलब government is taking lot many steps to just improve the quality of life in Chandigarh. So these new initiatives have definitely take very good results. They just give us very good results in future.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Hello.
हाँ जी yes.
हाँ जी बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, my question is that ma'am, I visited few places in Chandigarh, and there is a lot of pollution due to water also. So, ma'am, I want to ask what can be the measures
Actually, in Chandigarh, yes, I got your question.
Yes, sir.
So, actually, in Chandigarh, we don't have any major industry which is polluting air. This is water. So the only problem is with this sewage. And to treat that waste, the sewerage waste, we are having 8 STPs. And I think in my presentation, I just tell you on those 8 STPs, we are treating around 56 mgds of wastewater, because whatever waste we are generating, we are having ample facility for that to treat that waste. So because there are certain STPs which are not upgraded to the level which actually they should be. So I think by March end we are able to upgrade them to the levels where we are able to achieve. There is a term which is called as BOD, biological oxygen demand. If anybody of you from science student with the science background, they must be knowing what is that BOD. BOD is a marker of the pollution. If the BOD levels are very high, it means that the water is very polluting, and if the BOD levels are less, it means the water is good. So there are standards. अभी तो जो हमको standards हम achieve कर रहे हैं, उसमें हमारे को जो BOD level achieve करने हैं, that is around 30 mgd. But we have designed our STPs in such a way that we are able to achieve them less than 10. When the BOD levels are less than 10, they are very good quality of water. So वो I think by March end we are able to upgrade them to the level कि we are able to achieve those standards. And आपको I think March के बाद ये जो problem हमारी जो waste water की जो problem है वो शायद काफी हद तक solve हो जाए, या हद तक क्या 100% solve हो जाएगी.